Say with me. Colors name: brown, green, red, blue, violet, black, lemon green, orange, pink, sky blue, yellow. Write with me. A. A for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for carrot. D. D is for dragon fruit. E. E is for eggplant. F. F is for fig. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hot chili. I. I is for iceberg lettuce. J. J is for jalapeno. K. K is for kiwi. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for mushroom. N. N is for nectarine. O. O is for onion. P. P is for pumpkin. Q. Q is for coins. R. R is for radish. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for ugly fruit. V. V is for Victoria plum. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for Germania. Y. Y is for yam. G. G is for zucchini. Again say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Subscribe for more videos.